Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video I am going to show you how to insert comma in Word document. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document. Then we insert comma, go to the replace option, write the find dialog box full stop, then write replace with box comma, then click replace all. Now we can see here we made 15 replacements, then click OK, then close the window. Now we can see we insert many commas in one click. I hope you enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.